Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to track these steps on this smart band. Before we start, if you want to track these steps on your smart band needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application, and also you will need to wear your smart band to gather the data to track these steps. Okay, and how it works is basically it does it automatically. So when you're wearing your smart band and walk around, it should start measuring your steps automatically. And to check them, to check the counter, you can wake up the screen on your smart band, and some of the watch faces have the step counter on them. But if you don't have the step counter on the watch face, you can swipe left on the screen to see the activity widget, and here we have the steps. You can tap on this widget to check the more data. We have steps, the goal of the steps, and we have more activities, but that's how you check the step counter. You can also open the activity widget by swiping up on the screen, then scrolling down, finding the activity and tapping on it to enter. Okay, you can also check the step counter on the phone app. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone to our equation, zoom out the camera. Let me move these headphones so you can see them anymore, like that. And once you have the phone, you can open the ZEP application on that phone, of course the phone that is paired with your watch or other smart band. And once you open the app, you should see the home page, and on it you should see steps. And you can tap to see more details. And we have the day statistics, and we have stuff like that. How many steps, the duration, calories burned, reached goal, and stuff like that. We can tap on week, then month, and finally the year. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you track these steps on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.